Olá galera, meu nome é Alexandre Penão, sou faixa preta 6º grau do mestre Rei Carson Grace. Vou passar uma sequência de posição para vocês aí, espero que vocês gostem e aproveitem ela nos treinos. Beleza galera? Vamos lá.
Penao wants to demonstrate a common problem with the clock choke and show one way to fix it. So sometimes when you reach under the forearm, your opponent hooks your arm and rolls you for the reversal. What Penao is proposing as a solution is basically reversing the grip. Reaches for the choke across the far side of the neck, gets his grips, then steps in and hops over to finish the clock choke from the far side. If you pay attention from this angle, you can see that Penao actually reaches under the near arm to feed the collar to his left hand. Then he steps in, hops over, and finishes the clock choke from the far side. Let's see it one last time.